Dear students, this is Mohammad Ilyas Malik. I am computer teacher. Here today in this lecture we are going to learn about the MS Word. Okay. Now first of all, how can we open the MS Word? First of all, click here and write the winword command. Press the enter key from the keyboard. Here is the blank document. You have to select the blank document first of all. Click on the blank document. Okay. This is MS Word program. Now, first of all, we must know about the MS Word. MS Word mean a Microsoft Word. Microsoft is the software developer company that develop the software. MS Word is the application program. Now, for what purpose we learn the MS Word? It is also called word processor, that was developed by Microsoft. The main purpose of this software is to create text documents that can be saved with .doc extension and can print it. It is the application software. So through this software you can compose the documents, mean a text document, and also draw the maps, draw the charts, and also shapes. Now here few topics that we are going to cover in this video. How to create a file in the MS Word. I will teach you that how can we create the file in the MS Word. Then we will discuss the menus. Dear students, these are the menus. This is home menu, insert, design menu, page layout, references, mailing, review, and also last is the view table. Okay, now the first topic is the how to create the file in the MS Word. Okay, now first click on the file menu and then click on the new button. Here you have to click on the blank document first of all. So this is the blank page. Now this is the blank page. Now whatever you want to write, you can write here. I write here, so what is computer. Okay, in this way select the text, and here you can increase the font size of the text. Click on the font size and select the size of the text. Okay, then here is the style of the text. Okay, there are so many styles here. Or whatever you want, you may select anyone. And here is the font color. Okay, select any one color here, and then the bold button. If you want to make the bold, so click on it. So bold, select again, click on italic. Okay, select, click on U, mean underline. If you want to underline the text, so click on it. And if you want to increase the size of the text, so click here. In this way you can increase the size of the text, and if you click here, so you can decrease size of the text. Okay, and there is a sentence case. Okay, second is the lower case. If you want to change the all text into the lower, click here. Uppercase mean a capital case. Okay, then is the capitalize each word. If you want to capital each and every word, so click on it. Okay, so initial letter of the each word is capital in a toggle case. Okay, so these are the styles. So whatever you want, you may select. Okay, now I select on sentence case. Then the style, the style of the text. Okay, there are so many styles here. You may see in the background. Okay, the style, and outline of the style. If you want to show the outline, you may select the color. Okay, I select the red color here. This is the outline. Okay, if you want to increase the weight of the line, so click on it. Weight. Okay, so these are the size of the line. Okay, now look at it's bold. Then again click on it, go to outline, decrease the weight of the line, click here. Okay, you may see. Okay. Then shadow. This is a shadow, it means outer shadow of the text. This is the outer shadow of the text. Select the outer shadow. Okay, select the text, click on the shadow. This is the outer shadow of the text. Okay,